quick video. These just got dropped off by FedEx. If you see the thumbnail, you see the title. These are the Nike Air Max Susan, size 9. They got a color code right there. And if you know about this shoe, you know it only dropped on the SNKRS app. That was the only place that these came out at. Not no in-store releases and none of that. And now if you want a pair, you gotta go on like GOAT, StockX, somewhere that they resell shoes. And retail on these was $170 with taxes $183, and they reselling for like $420, $550 right now. So I initially bought these shoes to resell them, and that's why I plan on doing them, because I don't wear Air Max 90s. If you see like another pair on my channel, like the Air Max 90s off-whites, those are different because I like the color on those and way that those are like made. These are like totally different. But so I'm just gonna show you a quick look at them. You see it comes in a different type of box. It's themed off a movie that came out on April 12th called The Missing Link. And the whole shoe, like the colors and everything, is built off the main character of the shoe. You see right here, just a message from the two companies, you know, on the collaboration. And you got the special like blue leaf paper and white tissue paper. Just take both shoes out. Alright, take the other one out. Now, it was a time where I couldn't hit not one fucking shoe on the SNKRS app, you know. But now, SNKRS app, they fucking with me, you know. I hit on these. I got some Air Max 97s. I got early access on those last week that came out in that pack. And I just hit on the Bread 4s yesterday off the shot drop. So, like, I need them to keep that same energy. So when these Travis Scott 1s drop, I'm trying to get those for sure. But like I said, it's just a quick look at these Air Max 90 Susans. You see right here on the tongue, it says Air Max Susan. They crossed out Max and put the Susan right there. Normally with a shoe like this, you think they'd come with like extra laces, but these just came with one pair. This cell colorway. Got the cork insole. You see it says Nike Air. Right there on the back, Nike Air. And like the difference, like this shoe is like, you know, built with actually quality. You see this is like leather wrapped. This is like some, I don't even know the material, but it feels like, you know, it's legit. You see this is just all fuzzy. And like I said, it's just a quick look at the shoe. It's not in depth, you know. I don't know too much about the shoe because like I said, I actually bought it just to resell it. And luckily I actually hit, because I know a lot of people took L's on these shoes. I mean, it's not like it's 100,000 pair, 40,000 pair. This is like a limited shoe. And resale is slated to go up on these. So like I said, I'm probably just going to sell these for a while. I could get double the money back right now if I wanted to, but I'm not pressed to sell these. So I'm just going to sell them for a while. Probably when it goes up to about $500 or $600, then I'll sell them then. But that's pretty much it. Shit, if somebody on here want to, you know, work a deal out with me on these, y'all to get them. If not, they just be sitting here till I resell them. But like I said, it's just a quick look. Stay tuned though, because once I get them Bread 4s in, for sure doing a video on the on foot on those, because those will be my personal pair. These are just strictly business, profit. I do this sometimes if I get lucky enough, you know. I got some Yeezy, some Clay Yeezy 10.5s I'm sitting on. They already worth like $350, so I have to make 100 off those. But I'm gonna wait, try and get like 200 off those, get 300 off these, and that's it. Put a couple pictures at the end. Go ahead and wrap this shit up.
For nothing, no, we always up to something. Jammed the 8th up in the Russian. In this world full of corruption, aiming for the satellites until we satisfied with life. I done my wrongs, but now I right. Moving at the speed of light. Niggas gon' hate, but that's called life. Unfortunately, you can't live this shit twice, so I had to take a shot. Kissing on the dice while they sleep. I'm so
Nipsey. Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set, I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga.